DMR number 1. We're going to use this number line. We're going to drag and drop our points on it. Okay, so first of all, while I don't really see any numbers that are exactly on either of these, so 2/4 can be, that don't work. Okay, so this is -2 and 25/100, or -2.25, 1 and 2/4, 1/4, -3 and 5/10, or -3.5, and then 2 and 3/4. All right, so what we can do, oh my goodness gracious, my bad. All right, we're gonna start with 0 here. Let's do this purple one. I don't know why I just chose purple first. So we're gonna go +2, and then we're gonna go 3 of the 4 tick marks because there are 4 total spaces in between. So 1, 2, 3. There we go for that one. Let's take a look. -3.5. So if we go -3, and a half, whoop. What's in between -3, -4? Well, -4.5, or -3.5. So we're gonna go, if you take a look at these, directly in the middle is this one, directly in the middle, so that second one in. All right, let's take a look. Let's do -2 and, oh my goodness. Let's do -2 and 25/100, or -2.25. So we'll go -2, and then we'll go 1 of 4 quarters. So if you think of quarters there, maybe that's like, there we go. All right, same thing with this. Oh my goodness. Perfect. All right, +1/4. So not quite 1, but not quite 0. So we're just going to go 1 of those tick marks over. Oh my, why do I keep doing that? There we go. So now we're going to start at 0 again. We're going to go +1 and 2/4. So +1 and 1, 2/4. There we go. Now let's compare. We have -3.5. So -3.5. And -2 and 25/100. Which is bigger? If you are below 0, yes, the one closest to 0 would be -2 and 25/100. So -3 and 5/10, because they're both negative, is farther away. So that means it is less than that. So you would rather, well, I would rather owe somebody $2.25 than to owe them $3.50. So I think of it in that perspective. And that's it for our DMR number 1. Great job.